Hello and welcome to a new Python tutorial. Today we will take one more step towards gaining a good understanding of the Pandas module. In the previous episodes, which you can check out at the links above, we learnt about Pandas series and Pandas data frames. Today instead we will finally learn how to read a CSV file. So first of all, let's look at this file called example.csv. CSV files are extremely useful for storing databases and are commonly used in conjunction with Pandas and similar libraries for storing large amounts of data which would otherwise be challenging to handle in Python directly. Now CSV stands for comma separated values because the values inside the file are normally separated by, you guessed it, a comma. Now in this case, we have that each value is separated by a semicolon instead. Now this isn't so much of a problem in of itself, but we'll see in a minute why this can cause some issues in Python. Returning now to our Anaconda interface, we can start writing our code for today by saying df equals pd.read_csv and then giving it the name of our file. So for example, saying example.csv and then saying print df. Now if we run our code, you can see on the right hand side that something seems a little off. Yes, the code has indeed read our file, but as you can see it hasn't separated it correctly into the various columns. Now here we return to what I said earlier, because CSV files have each element separated by a comma as default. In our case, however, each element is separated by a semicolon. How can we solve it? Well, luckily, the Pandas library is clever enough and allows us to simply write, on the left-hand side, sep equals semicolon. And this time, if we run our code, we can see on the right-hand side that the CSV file has now been read correctly and has also been successfully converted to a Pandas data frame. If we wanted to, we could now use various techniques to edit our data frame directly in Pandas. Some of these I showed you in previous episodes, which you can find linked in the description below. Other techniques will be presented in upcoming videos, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any. With that, we have come to the end of today's video. As always, I wish you all a pleasant week and until next time, happy coding!